5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here I come, ready to find you. Ready to... Nakaganto yung kaganina. Hindi. Ba't mo nalaman? Nakausap yan kaganina Inusap kasi ni Kuya Tan. Siya lang ako naman. Ay. Wait lang!
Nasari ng tubig.
Kasi si Uncle puto. Uncle, gising ka na. Sen, ikaw naman. Wait lang. Madaya ka eh. Hindi ako madaya. Nagtanong ka kay Lola. Hindi. Joke lang. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Sarado ko kaya pinto. Takot ako. Eh, sabi sa ito pa lang sa kwarto nila eh. Ay ako, umutot si Uncle. 1. Para hindi ka mag-cheating. Nag-cheating ka eh. Hindi ka pinipigit mata. Magtago ka na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here I come, ready to find you.
Look so good, don't be choco.
Pag hinahanap mo ako, papakita ko sa iyo puwet mo. Ay, puwet ko, para mabastos ka. You gonna Wala, gisingin ko na sangkol. Uncle! Isip ka na. Papasok ka sa work. Tulog pa rin na. Panayin. Uncle! Tayo ka na! Uncle!
Oo.
Isip ka na, tayo ka na. ulit. Doon ako sa kwarto. Sabi. Walang po. Mag-ano ka na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here I come, ready to die. Tagalin mo naman. Tagalin mo. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here I come, ready to find you. Hello. YOLO. Gumagalaw yung kama, ah. Bo. Bo.
Oh, parang tayo niya, patatas niya.
I found you, I found you. I found you, I found you, I found you. I found you. I found you, I found you, I found you.
Do you even know what we're doing here? Yes, we're rolling cards. Click on the very bottom. That's it. Only 1 in 2.
Found you. Ah!
It's an RNG game, so we keep on rolling and opening packs. Rare cards.
Ha?
Tangga na maliit. Ayun, oh. Lagyan tubig. Tubig.
Dalaw. Yung daw konting tubig.
Pero yung lang, pangit mo, sabi nga ulo. Oh,
Lol.
ano? Hindi mo doon, ha?
Lola, ang pangit po daw sabi ni Lolo.
Oh, the crystal changes come
Found
up.
you.
Di
Mawag ka magdabog dyan.
Oh my, look at her. She's got a whole chest of
Nah.
2,500 muscle. Barbell, there's no. Okay, right, that's it. Wait, this thing. I'm about to go Yu-Gi-Moto on this game. We're auto rolling the irregular 1 in 5,000. Wait, my luck is different right now. Why are you so lucky? I'm auto rolling as well. Oh, the fan looks clean. Come on. I'm auto rolling so quick. 3,500. Okay, what was it? I need to turn auto roll off to check. First rolling too quick. Witness the power of a JoJo character. Oh, Joseph, my goat. And I got him.
I want to join. I want to join. Secret base. Nagawa ko secret base lang. Pero yun nga lang, si Kuya Ethan. Okay lang yan. Init, buksan mo yung electric fan. Camping tayo kaya. Kaya nga, ito nga yung tent. Oh, ay, so hina na. Isara ko. Ano? Tapos din ako. Kukuha kong mga gamit na pwede ano eh. Excuse me. Oh, rice! Rice! Nagagawa ko ba kang ko yung ano?
My first support card in Gojo is I just have a CQ. The first attack of an opponent will cause them to be imprisoned for 1 turn. Oh, that's so cool.
Kaya
It's a bit hard. Let's just imprison him. Imprison! I've been at Naruto World. I've got a 500 pack open.
Okay, I'm actually so mad.
There's no way. I got the girl from that really sus anime with the scissors and the clothes.
You gotta show me, I gotta see.
I can't remember her name. What's her name?
I have
No,
rolls for
no.
Star Pack and it is hooked me up. I've got 1,000 rolls. I'm opening them all.
That's crazy.
What into it? Wait, that was a support card. Ninja vest.
Oh, I got 1 in 250,000.
Wait, what? I think I just got a 1 in 100k and you just literally, you ruined my end. I was about to freak out and you were just like, oh, I'm good at that guy.
Yeah, I just did that. You know what's
Dito
funny?
sa
I just
amin,
did that
no?
raw. No, thing. Look at this Marshall musclehead.
I'm not looking, I'm opening packs. I can't see anything right now.
I got a ninja vest. It gives a health boost. Oh. Wait. 1.25 million. Okay. The line of sight coming for you. I pay to win. I don't need to. You know what? I'm going to do this non-pay to win and still beat you.
The crazy thing that I got for 2 mil is a support card. When the support card is defeated, the opponent's ability is permanently disabled.
Oh, actually, wait, that's really good, isn't it?
Alright, Awakened Promised Child, you mean nothing to me now. I don't even need to bring out my 1 in 600,000 rainbow mail.
I'm just rolling for a bit. I've got some potions on, so I'm going to roll until the potions run out, and then I'm going to go to the next world. That's my plan.
Once you get 100 rolls, you get like the
Hey.
rolls, so like, easier.
Oh,
Like, I've done 5,000 rolls because of that starter pack. Like, I've done 5 times.
500, none. Let's go.
This card has a 60% chance to dodge. That's a sick joke. Space Cowboy. He dodged. There's no way. Oh,
I did. GG, man, GG.
I beat the Naruto world.
I'm getting a treat on this guy, on my Dr. Stone. I got Brawler 3. Increased damage by 5%. Now we reroll again.
What is this? Exploration.
What's exploration?
It's literally like I can send out my cards to go get stuff for me.
The trade system's so good. Even
I have a new game.
Even if you
I have a new
trade on normal cards, all the borders get cards.
Ganda.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, that's so good. Wait, I'm going to trade onto my, where is she? My savior. Brawler 1, Brawler 2, Brawler 3.
Also, I don't know if you've seen in the store, you can literally buy a 100,000 Insta roll back.
Oh, wait, the G card looks dope.
Have you gone for that? No.
It's very green here. I'm just going to
Parang
say
dumami
it's
ako.
very green.
pag
Wait,
nabikit
you're strong. It's
Oo,
good.
pero parang doon ka sa line, siyempre ko rin
I'm gonna come and join you on the green one.
nag-upgrade na.
Let me tell you.
Yeah, with more than 600,000, I don't think so.
Alright, well, I didn't need you to carry on talking, honestly.
Oh, these guys are strong, actually. You do need powerful cards.
Wait, I just got a Bojo Shield Cube.
Oh, you did? It's actually a good card.
Alright.
I won! That was actually so easy.
Yeah,
200,000! They did it
Mission
right.
complete.
I just got a 1 in 100,000 support card. Dragon Sin Blade.
Ay, ang galing, Tan.
Support card to-
Meron siyang aayusing bahay.
10% of the original damage.
That sounds busted.
It sounds
Ayaw niya pa.
Anong ayaw niya?
Hindi ko siya gumigising. Gumigising namin po siya. Sinasabi namin po, kunyari lang, puli po siya. Hindi po siya tumatayo.
I mean, I didn't do this level like the first by the way.
That is true. But again, I don't remember all.
Ayaw! Pa!
Oh, you're looking angry.
Oh, what should I do? Yes!
Wala.
Let's go.
That's lucky. You just got lucky. That's all.
That's what I needed. Oh,
I lost. Wait, this actually didn't go out.
this should be reduces every single time. You joking?
Mission completed.
Okay, I can't believe you're doing that.
Tower, or I'm going in. I'm seeing what's up. Infinite tower and battle power. Battle power. There's like a 104 tower. It's crazy rewards.
Uy.
And getting past this. My skills are the same. That's crazy.
Kuto! Yep.
There's a card Pokédex over here. You get rewards the more cards you collect. It's crazy. Where are you? It's just in here. It's like the
Uy, may salt. Kitang-kita, oh. What? Tingin. What? Uy, no way! May kuta, oh. Yan kuto. Salid yan. Oh, ito. Oh my gosh. Bakit? Ito yung sa lapag. Nakikita. It's so big. Ano to? What is that?
Ako master na to ah.
Galing. I-zoom mo ngayon dito sa damit ko. Oh, ayan. What the? Naduduling lang to eh. Naduduling cellphone ko. Sabi! Ihati natin ang fries. Dili. Sa akin to. I'll give you. Tama na! Tama na! Wow. Crunchy to. Si Lolo guys. Luluto si Lola. Then, naghihiwa na. Yan, ganyan mo. Ay, ito na.
Ay mo na agad ang rice. Pagbukas ka na kamay dyan. Malaglag yan.
Sino familiar dito guys?
Oh no. Panis. Ang dami ko na. Ganda. Matapon niya na buso mo yan. Sino kumuha niyan? Ubusin mo tari mo tubig. Huwag kayo maglalagay sa ibabaw ng lamesa. Malamang sa lamesa. Ubusin mo na lang. Master na. Master. Oh no.
Asa ang magandang mata. Asa ang magandang mata.
Oh my gosh, Rima, matatalo na ako. Master! Ayun na! Talo? Talo na.
Tara na guys.
Skip all the packs and get crazy stuff.
Ang galang may Philippine flag.
New team, I think I'm ready to take on Super. Hello, Mega Man. Whoa. Oh,
Infinity. This is normal, I think. It's not easy. It's not the RNG to get like this. I'm hard starting in Namek. I got the bird.
Rima, huwag may galaw po. Nakita si Vlog.
I'm telling you, that starter pack is big value. You get good stuff, right? It's probably worth it.
So guys, ayan guys, yung umiilaw, binubuksan.
Now it's Freezer. I don't think I beat Freezer. It's already defeated. What is that? Kurama. You're doing too much stuff right now. I think I have to do it. Where is it? I think it's time. I think we're buying this starter bundle.
So guys, dyan kayo maglaro.
Getting the starter bundle. Wow.
Finally, my goodness. Every potion.
So guys,
You know what we do? Another limitless nice.
Oh, that's actually OP.
Right, 5 1000s. You can just use 5, skip all. You caught up to me in rolls. 3.5 mil. What? Who is it? Edward from Full Metal Alchemist. Oh, no way.
ano? Malit mata niya. Gumanto siya. Kaya nga, nilutunan niya mata niya, parang katulad sa atin. Well. Kuitan? Parang may telephone dito, oh. Kinakausap si Kuitan. Kuya! Kuya? Kuya! May telephone din station para magtawag kay Kuitan. May secret base kami po. Pero siya kang malaki. Kumasya dito. Kasya ko dyan, excuse me. Hindi, excuse. Hindi ka, si Kuitan. May nakukuhain eh. Ano? Kung nakukuha. Hindi, malapit lang yun. Ititingnan ko kung nandito yung kunyari na telephone.
So, boys, welcome back.
So guys,
Simulator, right? And I apparently recorded this a while ago, and they're all way ahead of me. I wasn't in that video. My goal is to catch them and pass them because I am cock. But I'm only 20 minutes. I'm gonna catch you. Go! I gotta hurry. I already have to spend so much money. And every time I spend Robux, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button.
hello, Kuitan.
Friend at your friend's house.
Doon ako yung... Dito yung telephone. Doon ako sa may ilaw.
There we go. We might do a multiplier in a minute. So I go over here and I get on this treadmill and I
Squeeze.
Tumugod ka pa ulit. Tumugod siya ulit, Tetan. Yung aso.
A few weeks ago, I called the world's largest megalodon to ever exist. But
Talo siya ulit.
So guys, ito yung space namin. It's really tiny.
it's